Remekapta achui kamataya pauping. Manipur Kung Tede we PM Kisan Beneficiaries Verification Salushidra Jera Documents Misangwai Nghotaira Chief Minister Health for All Scheme the HIV Syphilis Dual Screening Hapokhaira Shimshim HIV AIDS Check Sakamila Hapokhaurada Laidale Lake Yang Thor Ajit Tangkol Express Wipau Tang Mering Chodang in a Pamidale Pawing Messina Nang Rumsa PM Kisan with verification Sashidroda Lyric Misangwai Ngothaira Manipur Agriculture Director Naghang Audit Report Atishuda PM Kisan Scheme Wivang Beneficiaries na Migasang Lyric Mapaima Kala Verify Sagi Jila Watfaya Hangdagle Lyric Land Documents Aadhaar number, bank account details, mobile number, higdahi mazangla BM Kisan portal kra application being verify masa paimana ka yukruwi BM Kisan beneficiaries being na land documents mamisang mana chidale. Hill district likale tribal beneficiaries being wa atuming lay layer gchiwi lyric ka ramwi authority na certified sami gahay galachi STO nala mushunga gje hangwi the DCN state nodal officially verification wibang misangi gchina da hanga Chigata lyric misangran DCN state nodal officially mamisang tuwa kala khawung kai khaliba PM Kisan with beneficiaries na voters machine ni chungkamaila changdale jahaira Chuwivang scheme Chuwi Pesa Sambangda Klebing, Sampangran, Masampangran, Taigui Kwai verify Salushit Pulungra Jidale. BM Kishan we Ena Kum Kjida beneficiary Akana, Luba Tingtruk Sampangda Klena. Maramhi Manipur Agriculture Commissioner Aina, Agriculture Minister Manipur Changda, Ajak Jang Sanda BM Kishan Li, Mingjan Sag High Saikor, verify Salushit Rada, Twitter Katana. BM Kisan verification che Simikho Thrada Pangawe alongli Sakubrada Hanga. Hiwivang Yukro District Administration Jishat Kamiati Shuda BM Kisan with beneficiary Saikorna Atumi Misang Kangi Lyric che Yukro District Agriculture Officially Re-verification Wivang Misang Kwai Ngotale. Maram Kumai Take Vai Verijon Rangamli 825902040 Kala Ramong Horamli 7085299558 Ngahanwa Paira Verify Salushit Kwai Lyric Pingchi Stately Ajuwi Tarik Chishatwe Alungli Misang Pulungki China Dahanga BM Kishan Verify Mukasa Beneficiary Cycle we benefit Ajuwi Tarik Tharada Shini we Ena Habokta Mamilimra Jihaira Aya Ogtui World AIDS Day Kamayonli, Manipur Langrum, the first Manipur Rifles Parade Crown Imphali, State Level Observation Kwigaya, Governor La Ganeshan, Chief Minister, N. Piren Singh, Health Minister, Dr. S. Ranjan, Minister, MLAs, Officers, Ping, NGOs, Kala State, we abang dated the we ena yarina, Zipchili, Vazanga. Governor Namasowo Janpur Kamili Gahang HIV aina AIDS li Kangrarhi Yari Saikor with Sarana Kala Shinaushan na Hakamai Od Ngurut Kuipulungra HIV aina AIDS Pusawi La Health Issue Mang Mangasamana Kazachi Mirinwi Abong Kate Yari Rin Lansin Rin Kala Mikumawi Mishun Kalelila Sasiya the Governor Kandeshana Hanga HIV and AIDS Wivang health officials and concerned activists being Sakchang the Ot Salala Mishapmana, Kangrahili Yari La Long Napping we Kangajon La Zangpalunki Gina the Kaneshana Hanga. HIV AIDS Kangasungli Gazachi Marasho Kawai La Razagahai Bing John Kamili non-government organization La agencies Bing Singom Mukulang the Odram Mutarami Hera the Governor na Ningashi Pongshokta NGOs Bing we Kangajon Mazang Sanigacha Angredi Jakshimikar Sara the Hanga. Governor Nagahang Manipur 1996 kum we and state AIDS policy leader Chita the Pekar Kukui India we state create Masaya. Chief Minister Health for All Scheme li HIV Syphilis Dual Screening la Hapok Mida Chui Desting Kit Governor na State Nodal Official li Ngaran Mia. Chief Minister N. Piren Singh Naghang World AIDS Day hi Ringkapa Mayon Kwai Maning la Rakra Atam we concern raise Sakwai Atamna. Manipur we HIV AIDS Gagaza Machine Suida Haira Sala la Gazati Ngur Kwai Yarili Hangachite Lungsan May Palungra the CM na Hanga. Gazati Kangrali Yarina Sakta Kuipulungra Gala HIV AIDS Gagazan Oping Legacy and a care Kumi Pulungra the CM Pirena Kasat Sanga. Stately Nishari Kakap Kala Truck Case Jungsang da Kalewi Ninga Kurik Pongshokta Yaribani Jaksi Kangasak Nisha Lake Lon Gata Otsakli State Rogarna Muchimilak Murada CM Hangsanga. Birena Gahang Chief Minister Health for All Scheme we asingli Shimshim HIV AIDS check Zadla Hapokaura. Health Minister Dr. S. Ranjan Nala Awareness Matak Maikala Stakeholders Ping Kangashik Matak Maitagar Kasam Maram Hangsanga. BMJSY we scam layer the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Ajahon Thang Joint Inspection Mohothaira Lakavak scheme to fund Shichin Kongwi Malay Manada Rural Engineering Department na Ngahan Gahira Damenglong District Tubul to Charoy Jakot Long Aina Nune du Nungnang Shongfu Semahung the Leda Department Jinahanga Rural Engineering Department with additional Chief Engineer KH Rajan Nathar Kamishokta Gahang Azang the department with administrative officers, law contractors, Minganing Ping Chief Engineer Ling Soda, Tupul du Charoy Chakot Long Aina, None du Nungnang Shongfu Kasem inspection Bahira, Kala construction work at Mahung the Lechia. BMGSY Wivang Central Government Stage Kani and Mishoka Stage 1 with package 7123 and 7124 sanction Samida J Shongfu Mashak Sang Hill Slope Gahak Higata Wivang Zanga Stage 2 li package 7241 mida Shongfu Kasem Chili Black Topping Wivang La Zanga Dahanga Zingshat Zingyat Nangalay Kamin Katak Shok Le Mimau Karawi and Shongfu Mashak Sang Ot Kasale Gahap Samang the Shongfu Kaniji Mugup Sang Rangachina the Hanga. Rajan Naghang RET with staff Ngachapla officials being the PMGSY with Ot Kupsang Kawai Sadak Lena Fun Shijin Kongwi Malaymana the Hanga. Ot Kasale Habga Kano Maraka Department Jina Singuma Mayok Jang Shongfuji Shem Kupaira Sakwai Hotna the later additional Chief Engineer Rajan Hanga. Gujarat Assembly election phase kre kupsanghaira Election Commission data atishuda ayang shun pungutum aina tangda voter turnout 48.48% kashunghaira saya Assembly election phase kre chili seat hangchishata chiko wibang khanmet mingrokta ayang zin pung phanga aina tangda polling savaya voting phase kakhani ajui tarik phanga thang salaga result tarik chishat thang shokra Face correctly candidates Shashni Hangchishata Jishat Nganingda Jilashanao Angshini Zangdale. Ajukum Gujarat State Assembly with seat Shaka Hangchishata Kaniwi election Gasana. Ruring Bharatiya Janata Party na state Chile Zingum Magada Shini Mungragahai Zadva Furada Jihandale. Lakva Congress Aina Am Atmi Party na Otman Gaga La Unemployment Li Paibanda Yuikvai Sadale. Tripurali Ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and Opposition Communist Party of India Marxist Kangrukli Mi Akati Sanghaira Trada Kani Satsahaira Ochoche Yautang Deputy Chief Minister Jishnu Devarma We Home Turfli Kshoknajia CBIM rallies at Kasale PJP ne attack Rakasana Jidale Ka attack Sakang Rokchi Akaina Akashi Pen Kangrokna CBIM State Secretary Chidendra Chaudhary Nagahangda attack Sajili Deputy Chief Minister Devarma We Bangzanga Information and Cultural Affairs Minister Susanta Chaudhary na Kahang attack Saji CBIM na PJP Shokarming Jakshing Sakawai Haugapok na Jidale Ochot Chili Tisanga Haiji Zingum Hang Trukta Panga Sahit Miyagaho CBIM worker na Jia Kalaga Tingunji Police na Kuyu Hawada CBIM State Secretary Chidendra Chaudhary na Tanda Police Headquarterly Protest Wasada Katingunji Mishokawai Waboya Ochochi Sepa Hijala District wi Jarilamli Kshokna Mawansa Gahaya Wishimkur Aina CBIM workers Pina Akartala Government Medical College Mork wi Aina Katingun Bakushokawai Kakazibli Police na Lati Char Sahawada Maringapa Pongshoka Legal formalities we tili Mishok Naurada Police na Katingunji Mukuituing Saktuada Maringapa Wivang Arisham Jui Mortuary Van Exit Pumli Blockade Sada Chileya Rigsham Kwai Police na Lati Charge Vakasana Jia Chiwi Aina CBIM we Miping Police Headquarterly Vada Katingun Mishok Kwai Timan Vasaya CBIM Katana Ping Aina Police Officers Ping Shongfuli Merlak Aina Nganang Rokta Traffic La Pan Mihawa da Shaya Seba Hijala Police na PJP caterers Ping Wivang Otsada Oppositionly attack Sali Ngajonda Kale Penda Police Li Rak Mikwai Karot na Yangsang Ming Sakngaya da CBIM na Pohaira Chowdhury na gahang thaka CPIM rally li attack sali gazang mi makada chishat wi tungle FIR thasang haira kha khipali ka matu khuila police na CPIM victims ping bali target sada makamshung charge aina ngahom delejia police na gahang thaka ocho chui mi matili tukhui haira CPIM na kathingun chi changda rally chat khangai wiwang angret machak shimai khwai kathingun mami shokla police custody li haiga haina Chili ayin gagai malay mana chingri gahai kasana da police na hanga. Ayan Nagaland wi hanga truga statehood samiksho mayon haira. Statehood day kamayon chili naga issue wi tuitak masangla sampang haura kachi shit kasang kala honda khalay. Pongshokta naga political groups ping la Indian Sarkar aina stakeholders ping na sakbay saikura kasang rok kwai Chief Minister Nefurio na kasatsanga. Statehood mararang laga naga political issue hapo kahaina kalachui resolution wibang thot na hotna rahira ara solution sampang haura gaji itum ababa wi gaji han matai mehera da rio na hanga insurgency kala political issue ka sangka rada thui gahai atamni state china sakla gahai angret sampang haira ka administration police kala security agencies pingwi hot khana changda chingri gahai atam khira haira da chief minister rio na hanga Armed Forces Special Power Act chila police station tharada phanga mangli haimi haira kala angret mathamai mamanda center sarkar na apam chungmai da wi ana AFSPA khushok mi haurada chitsanga da riona hangsanga Nagaland la India wi crime rate thiomai kap kachi state lead zanga da CM riona maikhya phongshoka India wi G20 presidency Hapoguda One Earth, One Family, One Future kachi tui kuili paisin sada ot savaki kachi ningrin khalai Prime Minister Narendra Modi na phongshokaira. There climate change kala pandemic hina ogati wivang hakmaikap kachi kahap ngasada kathum jili kokasada kangasung hina pamai kaprada BM Modi na hanga. India na G20 katha atam hili G20 partners ping mangli ngasanda mui khawamang sala Clover Yankai chala kahai South ngale ping nilang ngasanda varajia. India with G20 agenda le yangakha kapha khwira kwai kasale sai khoro wibang phaning khami ningrin khangatar otsak aina kasakala tuitak khui kathai hiping hili rinda vara India with G20 presidency hi satsa gahai wi aina pha khung khok kasakala kjihan alungli ba khwai pangasinda muiwa sada PM na kasat sanga la luida chu wi khamata ya pawpeng Manipur Khung Tede the PM Kisan Beneficiaries Verification Salu Shidro Jera Documents Misangwai Nghotaira Chief Minister Health for All Scheme the HIV Syphilis 12 Screening Hapokhaira Shimshim HIV AIDS Check Sakamila Hapokhaura da Laidale Aju Wibao Hiling Janghaira Pawana da Glenda Tum Sai Korale Ringapagala Kamahai Zimishong Saserano